Hello guys, good morning. Yes guys, today is Tuesday, 3 December 2019. Yes guys, today we are going to the city center to buy few things guys that I really need. Okay guys, so hope I can vlog there. If not, I will show you all the things that I am going to buy. Okay guys, so see you later. Okay guys, so we are home. Yes guys, so I couldn't vlog at the shop guys because you know I bought many things and the shop is very small because they have so many orders, so boxes everywhere guys, so it's quite difficult for me to vlog. And also Lakota was a little bit cranky. Yes, she was so hot, that's why. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you okay what are the things we bought. I bought this one guys. Wait, yes guys, so I bought these two pillows for our bedroom. Yes, where is the other one? Yes guys, so two of these guys. Yes, so I'm going to put this on top of our bed. Yes, and also another pillows, two white pillows guys. Yes, it's not totally white, it's like dirty white guys. It's not cream but dirty white. Yes, so I bought these two. Yes, and also because I love Christmas so guys, I bought this blanket guys. Yes, so guys, each pillow guys cost 9 euros each, so I have 4. Even this one guys is also 9 euros, so I have 4 of these pillows. Okay, 2 red and 2 white. And this one guys, this blanket, it is so comfy, so soft. And look at this check, you know, the Christmas color. Yes, so I so love this one. And this one guys is only 8 euros. This is only 8 euros, so I'm going to put maybe this one downstairs or on our bed. No, not on our bed, but yes, downstairs or for Haley. Let me see later. And also another one, and before I forget guys, this one is 8 euros only. Yes, it's 8 euros, and you know it is really so nice guys. Yes, if you can feel it. Yes, coral fleece blanket. So this is wool guys, wool because it's fleece. And another one is this one guys. Yeah, it's white here, and the other side is this color of, you know, Christmas: red, white, blue, green, yellow. This yellow line here, yes, it's Christmas color. Yes, and this one is 15 euros because this one is bigger. This is 130. No, it's not bigger, but they have the same size, but the thing is this one is thicker. Yes, this one is thicker guys. So I'm going to show you guys our bedroom tour. My bedroom, our bedroom, and Haley's bedroom, and of course downstairs when I finish everything. Okay guys, and ta-da! Yes, so I bought also pajamas. This pajama is for me. Yes, and this one is for hubby. Yes guys, but the thing is this is the pants guys. Yeah, the color of the pants is like this, check. And my husband is with blue, yeah, like this one, but it's also for, yeah, Christmas color. Yes guys, so I am really so excited. I didn't open yet, but yes, it's a surprise for my husband because I didn't tell him that I will buy something for him. And yes guys, so all these things guys, all this guys I bought in just one shop. Yes, in the shop that I told you that it's very tiny place, and they have so many things in there. Okay guys, yes. And also I bought also this for me. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 7 pieces, and it's 20 euros. And also we went to H&M. We went to H&M. I went also to Mango. I wanted to buy sweater for me, but the thing is I couldn't try them because, as I've said, Lakota was so hot and she didn't like to stay there. Yes. Okay guys, so we went to H&M and I bought these tights. Yes, for Lakota. Yes guys, tights or like stockings or leggings. Yeah. Yes guys, because if she wears socks, she always remove it. So I prefer to put like this, in that way she can't remove them. And also guys, I bought also socks for myself. Yes, this is for winter, and this is 8 euros only, and it has how many? 1 2 3 4 5. It has 5 packs, and it's 8 euros. And this one for Lakota's too, just 2 tights, it's 10 euros. Yes guys, I hope it fits to her, because this may, or maybe it's quite big, because I bought 2 to 4. OMG, yeah, it's so big for her. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's big for her. She can't wear it. It's quite big for her, so better to buy a smaller size for her guys. So we're going to buy when I go there again next time. So that's it guys for the haul today. Thank you so much guys for watching. And yes guys, there's no sale or discount of all these things guys. It's all in original prices. Yes guys, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed, and of course subscribe, and hope to see you again on our next one. Bye guys.